This is the 1917 Ingraham little mantel clock. I bought it at auction. I've put it together. Well, I've taken it apart, cleaned it, put new springs in it, put it back together tonight. I want to show you that it works. So I'm going to reach around. On the half hour, it only dings the upper bell. One little ding. We'll see if we can see that. There's the one ding. Now I'm going to move the hands around, and it'll chime 3 o'clock with the lower chime. There's the warning. It works beautifully, and now I have to take it back out and oil it. I wanted to make sure everything was back together right before I oiled it, clean the face, and then it's done. This is the first one I've done completely by myself, and I'm very pleased.